You did see this array before. It had 4 panels. These are 245 watt solar world panels. Working voltage is, I don't know, 30.2 I do believe. Okay, you saw 4 of them before, but now I added a 5th one. Okay, and I have added this set of panels, another 5. These are also solar world, 245 watt. Between all of them, it will produce some amazing amperage, especially when the sun is so low. So it's damn near hitting these things at 90 degrees. I did do some investigating about the vertical mounts. In the winter, it seems to be preferable, especially above the 45th parallel line. So stay tuned. I will have more information for you later. This has been putting out, seriously, more than the 20 on the roof. I'm going to get over here and I'll shoot the roof for you. When the sun is out, the 10 that are mounted mostly vertical will put out more than the 20 on the roof. That's no bullshit, people. You could angle one and vertical mount one when the sun is out and see which one produces the most, especially this time of year. This is December the 27th. It's a rainy day. On these rainy, cloudy days, the 20 outproduce the 10 that are vertical. But when it's sunny, the 10 vertical knock the socks off of the 20. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.